Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter. Yeah, that guy. That's me. Hi. With StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. I want to take a look at an idea that was shared in our active trading forum by one of our active members. We have a trading forum where we share ideas. We have hundreds of people in and out of the forum all day sharing setups, trades that they're in, fundamental analysis, technical analysis. It's really great. And this is an idea that I saw in there today, and I think it's a pretty good one. It's ticker LNG. Now, as you may have seen, energy stocks have been popping. We'll take a look at XLE hitting new highs. OIH close to recent highs. XOP also close to recent highs. So these energy stocks are really setting up nice, and I think, are definitely an area you should either be involved in or be paying attention to. And so here's what I like about this chart pattern. We have a nice long base of consolidation, months and months of basically sideways chop. We had a little bit of a breakout, a fake out, and a retest of this move with a strong slingshot back to the highs. So what I want to see from LNG is a strong move above this breakdown zone. And you can see that we just tested it here today. So we have a clearly defined level of resistance that we need the stock to push through on volume to confirm higher prices. So I think it makes sense to have an alert on LNG right around that 115.75 level. You'll want to see a strong push on volume, and you'll want to see it hold above that daily 8 exponential period moving average. If it closes below that daily ADMA, I'd probably want to close the trade out. But this is what I'm looking for, a strong move through 115.75 on LNG. So add it to your watch list. And if you want to see what else we're doing over at StockMarketMentor.com, click the link and we'll see you on the other side.